This is an emotional moment for Black American women visiting Elmina Castle for the very first time, guys. Before we watch the video, I would love to appreciate my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for always clicking in. And if you're new here, my name is Delphina. I'm super excited to have you here. Please don't make it your last by subscribing to the channel, like this video and share the video. Also do well to press the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop another one. Guys, let's get right into the video. And please at the end of it, kindly drop your thoughts in the comment section. Let's watch.
So today we are hosting the AKA sorority here in Cape Coast. They are on one of their International Founders Day trip, and we're hosting approximately 500 ladies for lunch after their trip to Asimanso.
Today?
Today, yes.
500?
Yes, today, right here. Have a seat wherever you like, ladies. Welcome, yes ma'am. Have a seat wherever you like.
So the previous scene that you saw, about 500 beautiful women and some gents visiting Ghana to celebrate their organization and their founders. I mean, this is the first time we are having something like this happening in Cape Coast. Prince?
Yeah, this is the first time we are seeing something like this in Cape Coast. And I think the beautiful thing is that they build their own dome, and that's what they are using. And this is a capacity that can hold about 500 people at a time. And I mean, it's beautiful. This is what we want to see in the ancient capital and the hub of tourism in Ghana.
Yeah. And guess what? I'm seeing a lot of buses around. A lot. Buses. Yeah, remember. Yeah, man. So that's the brother. Definitely, he would like to show his craft to all of us. So, like I said, there are a couple of, a lot of buses just dropping all these people. When I spoke to someone from inside, she mentioned that there are about 500 people who are going to be in this dome that my brother just talked about. So, I'm just going to have a walk around. Look at the kind of people who came around and what is going to happen. I hope I get a chance to give you all the details that I can from the visit. But I'm very happy that we are having all of you here. It's interesting. Make sure if you get to watch this video, let this not be your first time visiting Ghana, visiting Cape Coast.
Echo Simpson, connecting Africans in the diaspora to the motherland. For your tourism, safety and assurance. Echo, Simpson, yeah. Travel and see Africa. Echo, Simpson, yeah. Connect you to the motherland, yeah. Echo, Simpson, yeah. Show boy, we run the call of rally. Run the motor show boy, we the call and give Africa. Run the motor show boy.
Is it okay for you to tell me on my camera what is going on today?
So, sure.
Okay.
So today we are hosting the AKA sorority here in Cape Coast. They are on one of their International Founders Day trip, and we're hosting approximately 500 ladies for lunch after their trip to Asimanso.
Today?
Today, yes.
500?
Yes, today, right here. Have a seat wherever you like, ladies. Welcome, yes ma'am. Have a seat wherever you like.
Okay, why did you choose Cape Coast?
Well, it's not my event.
Okay.
We are providing, I'm from Oasis Beach Resort, and we are providing the food for the ladies today. We are catering your food.
Wow.
And so, yes.
Oasis. All right, thank you.
And so they chose Cape Coast because it has so much history, so much rich history. So it's a part of their tour. When they leave here, they'll be heading over to the Cape Coast Castle.
Okay.
Yes.
All right, thank you very much. Your name and where you represent?
My name is Stephanie Kennedy. I am a Ghanaian American.
The Ekafanta.
Who?
Akafanta.
Akafanta.
Okay, you said you're Ghanaian. I was asking you something in our language.
No. But I'm still a Ghanaian.
A Ghanaian, I know, right? All right. All right. Thank you. You're welcome. Yeah. It's fresh. Okay, there is another glass. Yeah.
You know what? Let's have Group B. Group B. If you're in Group B, let's come on up, Group B.
We try and we do.